This is a Ryobi 18-volt battery charger. This model is a P117, and it's a pretty large charger, to tell you the truth. But it has a bunch of cool features like the 30-minute charge. It charges a battery really fast. It also has IntelliPort technology, which this can basically it does a maintenance charge where every 30 days or so it will refresh the battery, and it also has an energy save mode. So this will do nickel cadmium batteries, lithium 18 volt, lithium plus 18 volt, and basically all the batteries you would want to charge on here, whether it's these small ones or these big ones or the older style. So if I put this on here, see this indicator will start blinking, and now it's steady. That means that this is fully charged. If this right here was blinking, that is a temperature delay, so it'll have to wait until the battery cools down for it to start charging again. And there's other indicators right here that you can see to let you know what is going on with the battery. But where I like to keep it is hanging on the wall, and I do that with these back here. It even has this little measuring guide so you know where to put your screws 5.5 inches apart. You put them into the wall, line it up, and you can charge your battery.